The next thing you will learn is how to most effectively trap errors. Firstly, click on the Tools menu. Click on Options. Click on the General tab. Make sure that under Error Trapping, you have selected Break on All Errors. Click OK. This option will stop the program and highlight the line that you have an error in if you have an error. For example, I have just made an error in the program. I will run the program. I have now introduced an error into the program. I will press play, and now I can either press end or I can press debug. I will press debug. See how when I press debug, this line has been highlighted in yellow. Therefore, I can go back to this line and look for the problem. You will notice that when you look up here, the pause button has been grayed out. We can't press the pause button. That's because the program has been paused, or it's in a break. This is what they mean by break on all errors. The program has been paused at this line. If I want to run it again, I must press stop first. Then I will fix all of the errors, and then I will press play, and the program runs. Another thing that we can do is we can delete this dot value. And the program will still run. In fact, we can delete every dot value in range dot value, and the program will still run. This is a feature of VBA. Perhaps in a harder programming language you cannot do this, but in VBA you can. To finish this task, you also have to copy the price and the return of BHP into these blue cells one by one. I will not be doing this in this video. It is up to you to use the skills that you learned while watching me do this to complete that task. However, I will show you how to copy all of these as one range. In order to copy these as one range, we need to take a look and see what is the range here. This is from A22 to C23, and this is from A6 to C7. Let's make a new sub. I will call it sub super. Again, I'm pressing tab to indent my code. Again, note this drop down box. I can press V and it already goes to V. I double click on value. And I can click on value again. I will now run the program. And I will scroll down here. It has been copied. Let's delete this for now. Now let's get rid of these dot values. Can you notice in this case, this macros box has come up? Why? Because when I clicked play, my cursor was outside of my sub. If my cursor was here, then it would have just run the program. But because my cursor was here, this box comes up. So I will choose my sheet4.super and I will press run. In this case, where I haven't used the dot value, the values have not copied over. So even though dot value is an optional argument, sometimes it's not optional. Do this now.